Hello everyone, we're back again. This is the Uplift video part 5. So what are we covering in this video? Well, I could have added this to the end of part 4 because I don't have a video of me rolling this around on my desk. Well, my bad, rolling the desk around on the carpet. But long story short, I got some wheels off Amazon because they were much cheaper. They only sell those rollerblade looking wheels in 4-pack, so I purchased 2, and that's why I have like 8 over there. And what ended up happening is the locking mechanism on those is very, very difficult to lock and unlock. You're not doing that with your foot. You gotta bend down, do it with your hand. Maybe you could spray WD-40 and make it work. I don't know. It was a hassle. So if you buy the UpLift wheels, when you purchase your desk, they give you a cheaper price. If you purchase it after, unless you contact them for via live chat or your email rep, no way to get that discount. So I ended up getting the cheapest one, not because I wanted the cheapest one. It was because that was the only one that was white and I wanted to match my desk. And I really wanted to try the white one, see if I could get those 1-inch wheels to work. I wasn't even accounting for the fact that 1-inch wheel, 1.5 inch, like 2.5 inch wheels raises the minimum height of the desk. So if the desk would have been operating at the lowest minimum height of 25.2 inches off the ground with 1-inch wheels, it now is lowest height 26.2 inches off the ground. If that's an issue for you guys, then get the commercial version of the UpLift desk. But you have a bar which you could use as a footrest if you put some like gym mat like wrapping around it or some foam or something. But you wouldn't be able to use the hammock, so it depends on people and what you want to do, right? So what am I aiming for here? So back to the experience. So the wheels are fantastic. Me, single person, 80 by 78 inch L desk, right? Big desk. I can pull the desk away from the wall. I can mount a G9 Neo. I can mount my monitors, whatever speaker C-clamp stand I'm using, and then I can push the desk back against the wall. I can pull it out when I gotta have the exterminator come, do the routine maintenance, push it back. I can pull it out when I gotta do wire management, got a new PC, whatever, blah, blah, hard drives. We're working on cable management, push it up against the wall. So doing this before having any wheels, I would highly suggest anybody get a form of wheels because this made this much easier. Somebody will say, just use carpet sliders. You don't gotta go buy wheels and all that. Look, they were like $30, okay? I didn't pay $100 and then somebody's gonna yell. So was the experience worth it? Absolutely. Like I said, I don't have a little clip I could show you of me pulling it back and forth. I'm sure it's in one of the videos somewhere. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I really am happy with them. They work great. I returned those ones that you see at the end of the video to Amazon. They were junk. I don't recommend them. I think the UpLift wheels, like all the UpLift accessories along with the desk, come with part of the 15-year warranty. I don't know if I'll need it, but I guess I'll update. I'll probably move and get another desk by that time. I'm not really too sure. I mean, my old UpLift desk is working, but I don't think that one. I don't know if V1 works with any of the new accessories. I know V2's got the whole accessory kit. It's like buying an iPhone. You can do anything with it. But when you UpLift V1, it's like one of those. It's like buying a OnePlus 3 or something. Like how many OnePlus 5? You gotta choose one of the janky ones nobody bought. It's like, who makes cases? You have what, one option, 2 options. Go try to buy a screen protector, a glass screen protector, and cases for an older OnePlus case, OnePlus phone today. It's difficult. Go try to buy cases for an older iPhone today. Easy. So it's a similar experience. Completely off topic, but If anybody's considering, are they worth it? Yes, they are worth it. Somehow this video still ended up being 5 minutes, so now I'm actually going to turn it off. Thank you for watching. If you got the wheels, they were worth it. Just know that regarding the stability issue, it still feels like stationary to me. In terms of the people going, oh, do I need to lock the wheels immediately and then unlock them every time I have to move it? I don't unlock the wheels personally. They're always unlocked. I don't bother with locking, but locking and unlocking with my foot right now, very easy. It's not like the other one where I could do it one way, but then unlocking or something, like it kind of hurts your foot. I'm not doing all that. This is very gentle. It's simple. That's all we need, you know? All right, take care. Have a great day. I'm going to end this now. Bye-bye.